Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today, I would like to raise a question in your mind. Are you living your life by extending your death or improving your quality of life? Let me know in the comment section. What I mean by extending your death, due to lifestyle disorders like stress, due to metabolic disorders like diabetes, we are taking the help of medications to extending our death. What I mean by improving your quality of life and health, by proper workout, proper nutrition, and proper balance in your work and life, we can achieve a good health, medication free life. We, health and fitness coach, provide you how you can achieve your good, optimized health. We guide you. For more details, contact here. Till now, bye bye, take care, signing off.